You're very welcome back to Ireland AM. Now, this Mother's Day, we wanted to celebrate the day by treating one lucky Irish mammy to the ultimate makeover.
Mary Farrell nominated herself and she joins us now on the couch to tell us why. Good morning and welcome, Mary.
Good morning, ladies, and thanks for having me.
Oh, you're so
have you
welcome.
here.
It's great to have you in, Mary. So you entered our Mother's Day competition for a makeover.
Yeah.
Tell us why you nominated yourself.
I'm very sad nominating myself, aren't I?
Oh, that's fantastic.
I know. I said, no, I'm going to take the plunge and nominate myself. I kind of felt over the last number of years I was in a wee rush with all the clothes I was wearing. I'm just into my jeggings and tops and all that, and I don't really get dressed up anymore, which I think is a shame. Like, even at the weekends I never get dressed up, so I said I need somebody to give me a bit of inspiration and show me how to revive myself a little bit.
Yeah, but it's no wonder you haven't been in the form for dressing up. You've been through the mill over the past while, like cancer not once but twice.
Yeah.
And a raft of other health issues.
Yeah.
Bring us through it.
So I suppose, when I was growing up, I had scoliosis, so I'd made a few major surgeries on my spine for that. So I have a steel rod in my back. So at the moment, well, I'll always have it.
Yeah.
So fast forward, I suppose, into 2009, I lost the sight of my left eye. I had a retinal detachment. So I'm not 100% sure how it happened because it just spontaneously happened. And I do have a condition called NF1, which is a condition that has tumours that grow internally and externally on your nerves. So at the moment, I actually have one on each of my adrenal glands, but that's been monitored, so I'm okay. So I lost my sight then in 2009. 2013, I got my first cancer diagnosis.
It was breast cancer.
And it was breast cancer, yes. So I had a lumpectomy, in 2013, and then I was followed up by radiation for 40 radiation therapies.
Yeah.
But in the space I had the cancer, I went into back to work within 6 months. So I felt like I was able to go back. I was grand.
Yeah.
So then fast forward to 2017, and unfortunately it decided to come again, and no return to sender in this post box, unfortunately.
Second cancer, my God.
So but then in 2017 it was a little bit more complex, I suppose. I mean, to be honest, when I got to diagnose, I don't know who I felt more sorry for, myself or the surgeon, because when he said it to me, he was so upset. And I just said to him, it's going to be okay, like, don't be worried. Because he said this has never happened before, like, you know what I mean, in all these years of, because to come back in the same spot and all that. So I had the mastectomy, then I had chemotherapy for 3 months, followed by Herceptin injections for a year, and then the tablet.
The tamoxifen you were on that.
Tamoxifen tablet, yeah.
So it was a hormone receptive.
It is indeed,
cancer,
yeah. So what happened then, I did lose my hair, unfortunately, and I suppose that's the biggest dread of anyone, is losing your hair. Like, I know it sounds very vain, but yeah.
Yeah, so, and you also said there, so after your second diagnosis, that you did have a mastectomy.
Yeah.
How did it feel to experience that and that big change to your body?
It was hard.
Yeah.
It was very hard because, I mean, when I had the mastectomy, first of all, like, you came out with, and you had actually a drain on you. So, because I had to drain all the fluids, I had that for about 2 weeks, and, like, the drain had to be changed. And poor Michaela would be all in, my daughter Michaela would be all into like that sort of thing. But you mean, I had to make this to be like okay for them, because you don't know my son and daughter, what's going to face them in life. So I mean, she would change the drain for me and empty the drain and all that, and I was going, yeah, it's grand, like.
But they supported you through it.
They were fantastic. Yeah, my husband and his family and everything, they were amazing. Like, and my friends, I wouldn't have got through without it. Actually, one of my friends, when I was getting the chemo, she got her husband, her father, and a few of her mates to come up, and that they were from Longford, and I'm living at Thai, to do the back garden up for me. So, like, you know what I mean? And she brought me a lovely sun lounge, but we have a dog, so I wasn't allowed to go in the sun lounge. Louis the dog had a sun lounge all the time. So he didn't feel sorry for me at all. He was the only one that didn't feel sorry for me. Everyone had stayed. But no, I had a great, I mean, and poor Jerry's a nurse, like, in the Mater Hospital where I was attending, and like, he had to work full time too, and then try and cope with me too. But yeah, I was a chef.
Obviously, it's very physically demanding.
Yeah, it was. Like, I mean, I worked in a hospital, so I mean, it wasn't too bad, but it was a lot of lifting. You still did a lot of lifting and all that, like, but you mean, yeah. So unfortunately, I wasn't able for that lifting anymore because it was just kind of still have a tightness and all that and restriction. No, I mean, I'm well able to do everything, but it's still a kind of restricted to a certain extent.
Even if the cancer is under control and you get the all clear, there's still massive physical ramifications for your body after the chemo, the radiation, etc. It can't be actually
and it sent me into early menopause also, so that was another bummer to do, and like. Michaela does say to me, like, I'm cold, and she says, it's all right for you. You have a built-in radiator.
Yeah.
And so how do you feel about today's makeover, Mary?
Oh my God, so excited. Like, I was telling my friends and all that, like, and my brother Sean said to me, now make sure you behave yourself and don't be going waffling on the couch, like.
You're as much as you want
amazing, Mary. You're doing amazing.
No, don't make a show of the family. So, no, I mean,
fear.
I keep on pinching myself. Even coming up in the car today, I was like, I mean, hurry up, we have to be there at the chair, like. And he said, you've lots of time, relax. So, no, it's amazing. The team, I met the team this morning.
And it's starting now, isn't it? Because, of course, our stylist, Lorna Waitman, met up with you during the week to find out what you wanted from your makeover. Yeah. Let's take a look at this.
I'm in Kildare this morning to meet Mary and find out exactly what she wants from her makeover. Let's go have a chat.
How are you? Come on in. It's good to see you. Come on in.
I'm so excited to chat.
I can't wait. Come on in.
Mary, why do you need our help today?
Oh, I definitely need somebody's help and intervention because look at me. I don't know what, like my style the last number of years has really kind of gone downhill. Like I'm just wearing leggings all the time, hoodies or jeggings, wherever the case may be. So it's at this stage, like, I mean, I'm looking even to comb my hair some mornings. But, I mean, no, that's an exaggeration, I would say, but I'm not that bad. But yeah, it just, I just don't put any effort into myself. And I used to years ago, like, I used to love putting on my makeup and wearing different types of clothes, because especially my whole body has changed over the last number of years.
And in recent years, what has changed? What has challenged your style, do you think?
I say, like, probably a lot of women menopause, weight gain, and also my body shape has totally, in my opinion, changed. So I find that my mobility, not my mobility, but my lack of energy has decreased a good bit. So with menopause, with my diagnosis of cancer, and I had my mastectomy, I feel, and I also have scoliosis, so I have kind of a lump on my back. So when I was younger, it was okay because I was able to manage the lump on my back because I was skinny enough. But now it seems I'm gone out always. I am. So like, I don't know what's the proper style to make me look well.
And in terms of where we're going to go with your style, who is your inspiration? Do you have any style icons?
Oh yeah, I love Sarah Jessica Parker. I think she's just brilliant. I think whatever she wears, she can really pull off. And I mean, it's just like her personality always shines through her. She's just really quirky. I really, really like her.
What about occasion wear and getting dressed up? How do you feel about that at the moment?
Well, my brother-in-law is actually getting married in July, and it's the first wedding now in a while that a family wedding that would be that. So yeah, that would be nice. But I mean, I had some gorgeous dresses for weddings and all that, but now they won't even fit on my leg. Never mind my body, so I won't.
Mary, let's take a look at your wardrobe. Now, I see some lovely print and lovely colour.
Yeah.
Is there something in your wardrobe that you used to wear and you don't anymore?
Unfortunately, I don't wear this dress anymore. It's one of my favourite dresses. I love this dress, so I do.
And look at this print.
Yeah, I love the print, and I just the last time I wore that was my sister-in-law's wedding. So, but yeah, loved it. I have that bag maybe over 5-6 years, but I stopped using it as much as I used to because I don't think it goes with anything I wear anymore. Like, I don't think it goes really well with jeggings or jeans, or leggings, I should say.
And it's so bright and colourful.
Yeah, I love it. I used to love my heels when I was able to wear heels. And this will be one of my favourite pairs of heels that I used to wear with this dress.
You feel like they don't flatter you anymore?
Yeah, because there's a few dresses there that I really love, and I like when I put them on me, I just think I'm kind of bulging out in them a bit. And I don't know, maybe if I could wear shapewear for myself, that would actually let me wear the dress and I feel happy and comfortable in it. Because I do like the dress, I think it's lovely, and I think it's a shame for it to be hanging there in the wardrobe.
Shapewear is something we can definitely help with to help create a lovely form and silhouette for under your dresses.
Brilliant. Well, that's brilliant.
So Mary, we've had a look at the old. Now it's time to look at the new.
Brilliant.
We're going to get some casual options, some occasion wear, some shapewear. I've got some work to do. So are you ready for this?
Yes, I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Thank you.
That looks like a lot of fun, Mary.
Oh, good God. Oh, she's fabulous, Lorna. Oh, my God. And the team behind the cameras too.
You look a bit nervous now.
Amazing. Oh, good God, I am. I was like, oh, where's the defibrillator?
No, we can't wait to see you back in a little while.
I'm so excited.
Great, Mary. So are we. We'll be catching up with Mary later on this morning to see the final results of the makeover.
Can't wait for that. Now, up next, you'll be absolutely in love with what we're making in the kitchen. Back after this short break.